Task number 4, Windows Forensics, is part of the digital forensics fundamentals room inside the Cybersecurity 101 learning path. The most common types of evidence collected from crime scenes are desktop computers and laptops, as most criminal activity involves a personal system. These devices have different operating systems running on them. In this task, we will discuss the evidence acquisition and analysis of the Windows operating system, which is a very common operating system that has been investigated in several cases. As part of data collection phase, forensics images of the Windows operating systems are taken. These forensic images are bit-by-bit copies of the whole operating system. Two different categories of forensics images are taken from a Windows operating system: disk and memory. Disk images. The disk image contains all the data present on the storage device of the system, hard disk, SSDs, and so on. This data is non-volatile, meaning that the disk data would survive even after a restart of the operating system. For example, all the files like media, documents, internet browsing history, and more. But memory images contains the data inside the operating system's RAM. This memory is volatile, meaning that the data will get lost after the system is powered off or restarted. For example, to capture open files, running processes, current network connections, so on, the memory image should be prioritized and taken first from the suspect's operating system. Otherwise, any restart or shutdown of the system would result in all the volatile data getting deleted. While carrying out digital forensics on a Windows operating system, disks and memory images are very important to collect. Let's discuss some popular tools used for disk and memory image acquisition and analysis of the Windows operating systems. FTK Imager. FTK Imager is a widely used tool for taking disk images of Windows operating systems. It offers a user-friendly graphical interface for creating the image in various formats. This tool can also analyze the contents of a disk image. It can be used for both acquisition and analysis purposes. Autopsy is a popular open source digital forensics platform. An investigator can import and acquire disk image into this tool, and the tool will conduct an extensive analysis of the image. It offers various features during image analysis, including keyword search, delete file recovery, file metadata, extension, mismatch detection, and many more. Dumpit offers the utility of taking a memory image from a Windows operating system. This tool creates memory images using a command line interface and a few commands. The memory image can also be taken in different formats. Volatility is a powerful open source tool for analyzing memory images. It offers some extremely useful plugins. Each artifact can be analyzed using a specific plugin. This tool supports various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, Mac, and Android. Note various other tools are also used to acquire and analyze disk and memory images of the Windows operating system. Answer the question below: which type of forensics image is taken to collect the volatile data from the operating system? The memory. As we read, memory is volatile. It will be deleted if you restart or shut down the PC.